The TAS platform includes text analytics solutions developed by Precognox. After login, the interface displays the available services by cards. Just click on the card to access the given service. Enterprise Search, through its sophisticated and convenient search capabilities, opens up new perspectives in the world of intelligent enterprise search engines. Let's see how it works. With a simple query, you can search the title and content of your documents. Just type the search term into the search box. Then, by clicking on the search button, the search process will begin. Results that match the search term will appear immediately. In the search results list, the document title, the author, the creation and modification dates are displayed. In the Insight preview, the relevant context appears, and the search term is highlighted. Below the text, entities, tags, the source, and further extracted document components are displayed. By clicking the More button, the user gains deeper insight into the original text content. Results can be sorted by multiple parameters and filtered by facets. Pagination bar is available above and below the result list. The original content can be opened by clicking the title of the given result. Results can be saved individually by ticking the appropriate checkbox, or even all results can be saved at once. Several file formats are available. The saved file contains the document title, the path of the document, the shortened context, and the search term which the documents were found with. For starting a new query, click the New Search button or Home icon. Advanced Search. By clicking on the plus icon, the advanced search options will become visible. With Advanced Search, multiple search parameters can be entered at once. User can select the search field, the relation, and type the search terms. Relation between the search terms can also be set. Closed value fields have an auto-suggestion feature that lets the user see the possible matching values after typing a few characters, which helps in selecting the appropriate search term. Name matching and entity recognition is provided by the integrated Rosette Text Analytics solutions. The compiled advanced search templates can be saved by clicking the Save Pattern button. The user has the option to save a new query or update an existing one. The pattern can be saved by entering a query name. The saved pattern can be loaded at any time, and the search process will automatically run. Searching a person's name with similar to relation, Rosette Name Indexer recognizes the original name even if it is written using characters of another language, or if it is a known nickname, or in case of a typo. In case of a query returns without any results caused by a typo, the Did You Mean function shows a similar search term, which will definitely have a match. Applying the search options presented, the most complex search processes can be accomplished in seconds. The advanced search operators, useful tips, and the help function are available clicking on the Info button. Thank you for watching the video. For more information, please visit the TAS Text Analytics System and Precognox websites, or follow us on social media. Watch the related videos on our YouTube channel to learn more about our text analytics solutions.